Hi, I'm Greta and welcome to Chapter 4 of this English course for beginners. Today we will be talking about the indefinite article and the definite article. Let's get started. Let's look at the indefinite article first. In English, the indefinite articles are a and an. We use the indefinite article to talk about something for the first time. The listener and speaker don't know exactly what is being talked about. We also use the indefinite article when we are talking about one person or one thing from a larger group of people or things. We only use the indefinite article for singular words. Remember, singular means one, plural means more than one. Let's look at some examples. Did you buy a dress? We use a dress here because you're not talking about a particular dress. It could be any dress. Notice that dress is singular. Remember, the indefinite article is always used for singular words. She is a doctor. We say a doctor because she is one doctor from a group of doctors. You are a student. We use a student here because you are one person or one student from a large group of students. Please give me a plate. We use a plate here because you are asking for any plate from the shelf, which has lots of plates. You want a plate, but you don't care which plate you get. Have you noticed that we use a for words like book, a book, and we use an for words like apple, an apple? Why do you think that is? If you remember back to chapter 2 on the English alphabet, you'll remember that we learned about consonants and vowels. Can you remember the 5 English vowels? That's right. A, E, I, O, and U. When the first letter of the next word begins with a vowel, we use an. This makes it easier to say. We say an egg, an umbrella, an email. Remember that the consonants are all the other letters that are not vowels. We use a when the first letter of the next word begins with a consonant. We say a letter, a phone, a spoon. It's important to listen to the sound of the word to decide whether to use a or an. Some words start with a consonant, but they sound like they start with a vowel. Look at the word honest. If you say someone is honest, it means that they tell the truth. They don't tell lies. He is an honest man. The word honest starts with a consonant, H, but it doesn't sound like it. The H is silent, and so the first sound of the word is a vowel, honest. Because it sounds like it starts with a vowel, we use an. He is an honest man. Look at the word university. A university is a place where people study different subjects. The word university starts with a vowel, but it doesn't sound like it. When you say it, it sounds like it starts with the consonant Y, university. Because it sounds like it starts with a consonant, we use a university. They work at a university. So it is really important to listen to the sound of the word to help you decide whether to use a or an. If it sounds like it starts with a vowel, use an. If it sounds like it starts with a consonant, use a. Let's practice using the indefinite article. Say the word and decide whether to use a or an. Table, armchair, bed, wardrobe, sink, fridge. Great work. Now let's talk about the definite article. In English, the definite article is the. It is used before a noun when the speaker is talking about a particular noun. When you are being specific, both the listener and the speaker know exactly what you are talking about. They know exactly what you are talking about because maybe you talked about it before in the past, or maybe there is only one possibility. Unlike the indefinite article, you can use the definite article for singular nouns and plural nouns. Remember, singular means one, plural means more than one. Look at these examples. Do you want the drink on the table? We use the drink because you are talking about a specific drink, the drink on the table. The moon is beautiful tonight. We use the moon because there is only one moon that you could be talking about. The President of Ireland is popular. Again, we use the because there is only one President of Ireland, so you must be talking about that president. I washed the car for my dad. In this example, there is only one car that belongs to my dad. So when I say I washed the car for my dad, I am talking about his only car, the only car that belongs to my dad. So it is clear that you are talking about a particular car. Did you eat the cookies I made? Notice that cookies is plural. Remember, you can use the definite article for plural nouns too. We use the definite article because there is only one plate of cookies that you could be talking about. The plate of cookies that I made. Do you think you know when to use the indefinite article and when to use the definite article? Let's practice. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the indefinite article, a or an, or the definite article, the. Look at woman over there. I saw movie yesterday. She lives in apartment. That is book I told you about. I want ice cream. Sun is warm. I read story yesterday. Pope is on television. Okay, let's check your answers. Look at the woman over there. We use the because we are talking about a particular woman, the woman over there. I saw a movie yesterday. We use a here because the speaker is not talking about a particular movie. But if the speaker said, I saw the movie you told me about, then we use the because it is a specific movie that you have talked about before. So the speaker and the listener know exactly what movie you are talking about. She lives in an apartment. We use an because apartment starts with a vowel. The speaker doesn't say which apartment. It is not specific. It could be any apartment, so we say a. This is the book I told you about. We use the because you have talked about this book before, and it is a specific book. So both the speaker and the listener know exactly what book you are talking about. I want an ice cream. Again, we use an for ice cream because it starts with a vowel. The long I vowel, ice cream. The speaker doesn't talk about a particular ice cream. It could be any ice cream. But if you said, I want the ice cream we ate yesterday, you are talking about a specific ice cream. So we use the. The sun is warm. We use the because there is only one sun that you could be talking about. The sun. I read a story yesterday. We use a because we are not told exactly what story. It could be any story. The Pope was on television. There is only one Pope, so we use the. The Pope. Fantastic work. I hope this video was helpful. You will find a free PDF with notes from today's lesson in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next chapter. See you soon.